Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my good friend Scott in Indiana on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Scott, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment and a voltage regulator upgrade. I asked you about a sideband. You said you do talk sideband, so we're going to show that in the video as well. First, let's start with AEM. RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Just a hair under 25 watts. 125 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, about 245 on this one. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Low, and a strong 580. Flip it over sideband. 1000 watt slug. Hello, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 audio. So it'll talk 550 if you're up in the mic. I always use a Superstar mic. Everybody knows me. I love these microphones. You wouldn't want to use them in a noisy truck unless you were sensitive enough to control your mic gain well. But these things have amazing audio. They're like $12 on my website. Really nice cord. I call them throwaway mics because, you know, if it was to tear up, there's no sense in fixing them. Just toss it and hook up another one. A lot of guys buy 4 or 5 of these at a time and just leave them in their truck, and it spares. But anyways, enough of my rambling on there. Scott, we're going to get this up to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.